Hi everybody. So, this side Shubhaji. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create this, 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 and this type of graphics using our built-in GrowTake AI. Okay, let's go with any further ado. So, using our AI graphics tool, you need to go image section, move over to image section, and one thing, this features is it support all over platform. If you are want to in your Google ads, in your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, every platform it support. Okay, click on plus icon, make sure you can click this one. Okay, so now here you can upload your own image, upload your brand logo, next headline and description created by AI according to your campaign. And also if you need any changes or anything you want to edit, also you can manually do that. Next, choose your brand color. I choose our brand color. Next, your text color, you choose white. Next, call to action, and now click generate. So it will create various type of graphics app for you. Okay, so here you can see all of the generated graphics. So according to your preparation you can choose that, and also it will create vertical like story format, and also landscape format. Here you can choose that. And also if you need more variation of graphics, okay, just click load mode. It will create hundreds of ad graphics for you. Okay, so now you can see all the variation of images. Okay, so if you choose in the black text, here it show black or whatever. Okay, so we keep improving this. So here if you think anything it's working for you, you can just select. And here is the landscape format, all type of landscape format it will show you. Okay, and here you can check it out all of the things. Here is the story format. So we just select some images from it. So now you can see all of your graphics, like all of your campaigns. Okay, so in this section it's little bit of chat gpt kind of logo, but here you can generate ai images. Okay, so if you anything you can type, suppose that gym work out a woman, just click, it will create ai generated graphics for you. Okay, so here you can see the detailing of the graphics. Okay, so if you choose, suppose that here you can choose gym, and here you can write brand name. Suppose that our brand name is GrowTake. So according to your brand name, when you want to like show the logo, name logo, just type brand name colon and your brand name like company name whatever. Okay, so our graphics is almost ready, and here you can see the detailing of the image. Here it show GrowTech, which we write it here. Okay, and also here's a gym name called GrowTech. It will give you graphics, and also here you can create vertical graphics, also landscape graphics also. Okay, it's according to you. You just type, it will give you the best possible result. Here is the landscape format. Here you can see clearly a gym. Here is your gym name and all of the environment. Okay, and also here is if you type anything, suppose that here I write a a woman close up picture holding a whatever sun sunscreen. Okay, and brand name it's, and now you can see that image. Okay, GrowTake a woman holding it, and here is the landscape. So okay, so now you can see that sunscreen GrowTake, and here you can see, preview this and also download this through this download button. Okay, so here is our pretty much AI image generation tool is. Here you can check it out in the description. So if you are already in our software subscription member, and here you can use already, and if you not, here is the link in the below. Here you can sign up your 7-day free trial. Here you can run ultimate hours within 7 days. Also if you need any help, we can also do that. Okay, so bye.